Hello, nature enthusiasts. Today on ZooTube Explorer, we're delving into the enchanting world of blue jays, those brilliant and charismatic birds. Blue jays are known for their vivid blue plumage, striking black markings, and their vibrant personalities. They are a common sight in woodlands, parks, and backyards. These intelligent birds are renowned for their habit of caching food, hiding seeds and nuts in various locations to consume later. Blue jays are also talented mimics, often imitating the calls of other birds, which adds to their captivating repertoire of sounds. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the natural world. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep an ear out for these lively, blue-feathered friends.